Top 11 Healthiest Drinks for the Brain. Admit it, our brains undergo constant exertion, often requiring an extra push to maintain focus and alertness. Luckily, a variety of healthy beverages exist to provide that essential boost, enabling your brain to operate at its best. If you're seeking ways to enhance mental clarity and sharpen your focus, you're in for a treat. In this video, we'll unveil some of the top drinks renowned for their brain-boosting properties. So, sit back, unwind, and prepare to embark on a flavorful journey to elevate your brain power. Let's dive in and explore these incredible drinks that can supercharge your mind. 1. Orange juice. Packed with vitamin C, folate, potassium, and fiber, this invigorating beverage serves as a comprehensive solution for all your cognitive needs. Not only does it enhance healthy blood circulation to the brain, but it also aids in reducing the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Let's not overlook the significance of vitamin C. It traverses through your system, bolstering your immune system and regulating blood pressure. Moreover, vitamin C supports neurotransmitters responsible for mood, memory, and sleep cycles in the brain. Remember to incorporate folate into your diet as it plays a pivotal role in converting homocysteine into essential amino acids crucial for metabolic functions. With such myriad advantages, orange juice stands out as the ideal choice to kickstart your day and sharpen your cognitive faculties. 2. Blueberry juice. Prepare to elevate your diet with the addition of blueberry juice, as it swoops in to rescue the day. Not only does it offer a delightful taste, but this berry-packed beverage also boasts a plethora of health benefits that might just make you feel like a superhero. Blueberry juice is brimming with vitamin C and magnesium, crucial for maintaining strong teeth and bones. Furthermore, the anthocyanins present in blueberries have been scientifically proven to enhance cognitive function, providing your brain with the necessary boost to conquer tasks, whether it's battling through the workday or thwarting crime. But wait, there's more. Blueberry juice isn't just a mere sidekick, it's a formidable ally against memory loss, Alzheimer's disease, dementia, and various neurological ailments. With its arsenal of superpowers, blueberry juice emerges as the ultimate defense against free radicals and inflammation within the body. Additionally, it's renowned for its ability to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, making it an ideal choice for those seeking to enhance their health regimen. So, why hesitate? Seize a glass of blueberry juice and enlist yourself in the league of remarkably healthy humans. 3. Green tea. For centuries, green tea has held its ground as a revered beverage known for its therapeutic properties. What sets green tea apart? It all boils down to its bioactive compounds known as flavonoids. These minuscule powerhouses not only lend green tea its distinctive color and flavor but also come bundled with an array of health benefits. Moreover, green tea boasts an amino acid called L-theanine, akin to a superhero that enhances memory and attention spans, particularly in young adults. So, if you find yourself grappling with forgetfulness or struggling to maintain focus, a cup of green tea might offer the solution you seek. Furthermore, green tea houses caffeine and catechins, offering a shield against heart disease, stroke, and certain cancers. It's akin to a dynamic duo combating the adversaries jeopardizing your health. And as if that weren't impressive enough, a 2012 study unearthed green tea's ability to safeguard the brain against oxidative stress induced by free radicals. These troublemaking free radicals have the potential to wreak havoc on cells throughout your body, including those within your brain. However, green tea's antioxidant prowess swoops in like a superhero, thwarting damage and preserving cellular integrity. 4. Clove tea. This isn't your average cup of tea, it's a potent elixir for the mind. That's right, sipping on this tea promises to elevate your intellect to Einsteinian levels in record time. And fear not, whether you prefer your brew steaming hot or refreshingly cold, Clove tea has you covered. With roots stretching back centuries, clove tea isn't just a culinary spice, it once served as an embalming agent in ancient Egypt. So, not only will you sharpen your wits, but you'll also possess the preservation prowess of a mummy. Talk about a 2-for-1 deal. But wait, there's more. Concerned about your dental health? Cloves have your back. This tea works wonders for toothaches and various dental woes, boasting antiseptic properties akin to having a miniature cleaning crew bustling away in your mouth. Yet, the benefits don't end there. Clove tea extends its healing touch to respiratory ailments like bronchitis and asthma, offering a breath of fresh air in every sip. And it's all thanks to eugenol, the clandestine weapon within cloves that sets it apart from other spices in combating infections. 5. Coffee. It's akin to the beloved pronged king of beverages, universally adored and ever ready to kick off the festivities. Yet, let's acknowledge that some of us can barely muster functionality in the morning without our dependable cup of coffee. It serves as our personalized wake-up call, signaling the commencement of adult responsibilities. And speaking of adulting, did you realize that coffee can actually enhance your aptitude for it? Indeed, it's akin to a superhero elixir, bolstering memory, focus, and even athletic performance. Moreover, coffee harbors antioxidants that may wield protective effects against cancer, akin to a stealthy ninja warrior fending off insidious free radicals with finesse. Then there's caffeine, functioning as a mystical potion that triggers the release of adrenaline and dopamine, instilling a sense of invincibility as if we could conquer the world. As if its virtues weren't plentiful enough, coffee also amplifies blood flow to the brain, allowing us to harness our cognitive faculties to their fullest potential. In fact, a study unearthed that consuming 3 cups of black coffee daily contributed to enhanced brain function and cognitive acuity, particularly among the elderly. Coffee emerges as a veritable fountain of youth, preserving the vitality and agility of our minds for years to come. 6. Turmeric Ginger Tea. Turmeric, an ancient spice that has withstood the test of time since antiquity, possesses formidable medicinal properties dating back thousands of years. Despite our advancements in modern science, we've only begun to scratch the surface of its vast potential health benefits, particularly concerning brain health. At the heart of turmeric's potency lies curcumin, a special ingredient that, through animal research, has showcased its remarkable capacity to safeguard the brain. Indeed, curcumin functions akin to a vigilant personal bodyguard, tirelessly defending your brain around the clock. But that's not the extent of its prowess. When paired with ginger root, turmeric forms an even more potent elixir for brain enhancement. Ginger root, celebrated in traditional Chinese medicine for its digestive aid properties and efficacy in combating nausea, also contributes to balancing blood sugar levels and enhancing circulation throughout the body. For a notable brain boost, consider concocting a brew of turmeric ginger tea. Simple to prepare and brimming with vitality, this beverage offers an energy surge that fosters sustained focus and mental clarity. 7. Smoothies. Smoothies embody a veritable burst of sunshine, delivering a concentrated dose of essential nutrients that effortlessly fulfill your daily dietary requirements, all without the need to munch through mountains of vegetables. In the pursuit of shedding excess weight, they transform into invaluable allies, functioning as personal weight loss coaches adept at guiding you towards your daily calorie targets without sacrificing satisfaction. It's akin to unlocking a cheat code for healthy eating. What's more, smoothies seamlessly transition into your very own portable aid, akin to having a genie in a bottle, ever ready to grant your desires for swift and convenient nourishment on the go. Packed with indispensable nutrients such as vitamins A and C, folate, and omega-3 fatty acids crucial for optimal brain function, smoothies serve as an armor against inflammation, thereby safeguarding against afflictions like cancer and heart disease. They stand as a formidable shield against the onslaught of maladies. Additionally, for those prone to late-night cravings, smoothies emerge as a comforting security blanket. Laden with fiber, they impart a lasting feeling of fullness, warding off the temptation of midnight snacks that could potentially derail your weight loss aspirations. 8. Beetroot Juice. Beetroot juice isn't just your average beverage, it's akin to rocket fuel for your brain. Your brain, being an energy-intensive organ, demands copious amounts of fuel to function optimally. Fortunately, beetroot juice is brimming with nitrates, which play a pivotal role in reducing blood pressure and enhancing blood flow, precisely what your brain craves. Moreover, it serves as a rich source of folate, essential for the production of healthy red blood cells and the synthesis of DNA and RNA, crucial components for robust neurons, the fundamental units of your brain. Additionally, beetroot juice is teeming with betaine, aiding in the regulation of homocysteine levels in your body. Homocysteine, if left unchecked, poses a threat to nerve tissue integrity. Here's where it gets intriguing. Beetroot juice harbors nitrates that undergo conversion into nitric oxide within your body. Nitric oxide facilitates heightened blood flow, ensuring enhanced delivery of oxygen and nutrients to your cells. A contented brain translates to a contented you. Furthermore, nitric oxide amplifies the production of serotonin, the feel-good hormone, fostering a state of positivity and tranquility throughout the day. So, raise a glass of beetroot juice and grant your brain the revitalization it rightfully deserves. 9. Kombucha. Let's delve into the world of kombucha, a trendy beverage with roots stretching back centuries. This fermented tea has surged in popularity within health circles, and for good reason. Did you know that kombucha might serve as a catalyst for enhancing brain function? Indeed, it's brimming with B vitamins, including folic acid, vitamin B12, B3, and B5, all of which play pivotal roles in supporting proper brain health. These vitamins foster the growth and optimal functioning of brain cells while aiding in the conversion of food into energy, thereby promoting mental clarity and sustained focus throughout the day. But wait, there's more to the kombucha story. It also boasts probiotics, beneficial bacteria that lend a hand in regulating digestion and bolstering immunity. Probiotics wield the power to enhance nutrient absorption, mitigate cholesterol levels, and alleviate inflammation. Thus, kombucha not only serves as a mental sharpener but also functions as a guardian of overall bodily health. 10. Herbal Tea. Herbal tea embodies a comforting embrace within a cup, crafted from a variety of plants such as leaves, petals, seeds, or roots, offering solace for both the body and the mind. These botanical wonders not only tantalize the taste buds but also harbor a treasure trove of health benefits. Throughout the ages, herbal tea has served as a go-to remedy for alleviating ailments and soothing frayed nerves, resembling a natural apothecary within reach. Imbibing herbal tea initiates a sensation of tranquility, as troubles seem to dissipate with each sip. Ingredients like chamomile or lemon balm work their magic, inducing relaxation and fostering restful sleep. Moreover, herbal tea emerges as a potent elixir for enhancing cognitive function. Certain herbs possess oils known to sharpen focus and enhance memory retention. So, the next time you find yourself grappling with exam preparation, consider brewing a cup of herbal tea and experience the remarkable ease with which concentration unfolds. 11. Coconut water. Coconut water isn't merely a delectable beverage, it possesses the potential to elevate your mood. A study featured in the journal Metabolic Brain Disease suggests that coconut water may harbor antidepressant properties, making it a favorable choice for those experiencing bouts of melancholy. Furthermore, coconut water serves as a boon for brain health owing to its content of medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which furnish the brain with a direct source of energy, enhancing focus and alertness. Additionally, research indicates that coconut oil, a close cousin of coconut water, exhibits beneficial effects on mood, neurological disorders, brain aging, and cognitive decline. Beyond its cognitive perks, coconut water boasts benefits for cardiovascular health, aiding in the reduction of blood pressure and lowering the risk of stroke. For an added heart-healthy touch, consider pairing coconut water with potassium-rich foods. However, individuals with elevated levels of potassium in their blood should exercise caution and refrain from consuming coconut water. So, indulge in a glass of this uplifting elixir and toast to your well-being. While these beverages may not promise to transform you into a prodigy, they offer a mental boost worth exploring. It's preferable to approach them with optimism and experimentation rather than outright dismissal, as each person's body responds uniquely. Hence, don't hesitate to sample a variety of options until you discover the one that resonates best with you. Cheers to discovering your perfect match. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.